All rise. The court is now in session. Today, we are putting the air itself on trial. At stake is the question, does development come at the cost of life? Let the proceedings begin.
डॉक्टर साहब देखिए ना, वो फिर से रात भर नहीं सोई है, सांस भी नहीं आ रही है, प्लीज कुछ कीजिए।
मौत का जहर है फिजाओं में, मौत का जहर है फिजाओं में, अब कहाँ जाके सांस ली जाए, अब कहाँ।
बस थोड़ा सा और बेटा, थोड़ा कोर्ट में बोलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ी देर और।
Your Honor, Article 21 of our Constitution guarantees right to life. But what is life if every breath is poison? We have filed this petition because the smog in Delhi has reached fatal levels. Factories like Greenway Industries are violating environmental norms daily. We have factual data to support this. Particulate matter PM 2.5 levels have reached 9 times above safe limits, according to the environmental experts report. Children like Kavya are paying the price. There is 60% increase in the number of patients with respiratory disorders like asthma and bronchitis being reported every day. Kavya here alone has been hospitalized 7 times this year. Here are copies of hospital bills and discharge papers. Your Honor, this is not just pollution. This is murder in slow motion. I would now like to call Kavya's mother, Mrs. Kavita Verma, to the witness box.
योर ऑनर, अगर ये डेवलपमेंट है तो मुझे डेवलपमेंट नहीं चाहिए। मेरी बेटी की जान की कीमत पर तो बिल्कुल नहीं। हर रात ऐसा लगता है जैसे उसकी कोई छाती दबा रहा हो। मैं तो बस इतना पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये कैसा विकास है?
Your Honor, we sympathize with Kavya, truly, but factories like Greenways Industries provides jobs to thousands. We keep the lights on in the city, we power the economy. Yes, there is pollution, but shutting down the industries is not the solution. They are ready to comply. They are installing air filters, but progress takes time and development needs compromise.
Compromise with whom, defense? With children's lungs?
Your Honor, I'd like to call Kavya's father, Mr. Saurabh Verma, to the witness box. So, Mr. Saurabh, क्या आप कोर्ट को बताएंगे कि आप क्या काम करते हैं?
जी, मैं पावर यूनिट में सुपरवाइजर का काम करता हूँ।
और कहाँ?
ग्रीनवे इंडस्ट्रीज।
जरा जोर से बताइएगा।
ग्रीनवे इंडस्ट्रीज।
पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, योर ऑनर, ये ग्रीनवे इंडस्ट्रीज में ही काम करते हैं। क्या आपको शर्म नहीं आई?
Objection, Your Honor. This is not relevant to the case.
Your Honor, this is very much relevant to the case.
Overruled.
So, Mr. Saurabh, क्या आपको शर्म नहीं आई? जिस ग्रीनवेज इंडस्ट्रीज में काम करने से आपकी घर की रोजी रोटी चलती है, आपने उसी ग्रीनवेज इंडस्ट्रीज पर केस कर दिया। पोल्यूशन के शहर में नहीं है। Your Honor, I'd now like to call the owner of Greenway Industries, Mr. Jatin Oberoi, to the witness box.
योर ऑनर, आई एम नॉट द विलन हियर। सब फैक्ट्रियां बंद कर देंगे तो रोजगार का क्या होगा?
रोजगार का क्या होगा मिस्टर ओबरॉय जब लोग ही नहीं बचेंगे? वैसे तो आपकी कंपनी का नाम ग्रीनवे इंडस्ट्री नहीं ग्रेवे इंडस्ट्री होना चाहिए।
Objection, Your Honor.
माय अपॉलॉजीज योर ऑनर। पर क्या फायदा ऐसे रोजगार का जिससे हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ी प्रदूषण के बलि चढ़ जाए? योर ऑनर, आई वुड नाउ लाइक टू कॉल द एनवायरमेंटल साइंटिस्ट डॉक्टर हेमंत सेन गुप्ता टू द विटनेस बॉक्स।
Permission granted.
Your Honor, my report is clear. Delhi's air quality is not just bad, it's a health emergency. Children's lungs are half the size of that of adults, and every minute of this air that Kavya breathes, her life expectancy reduces. This is what they are breathing. Would you, Your Honor, inhale this?
I was written for the people, not for profit. When breathing becomes a privilege, my pages turn grey.
The court has heard both sides. Yes, development is vital, but life is non-negotiable. Article 21, right to life, and Article 51A, duty to protect the environment. We have failed both. Today, I will not just pass a verdict, I'll pass a reminder. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. The court orders immediate suspension of polluting activities in Greenway Industries until compliance is verified. Government to enforce emergency air quality measures and mandatory clean technology adoption within 6 months by all private and public sector companies, or else face closure.
Development is meaningless if it buries the breath of life. The verdict is not just for the courtroom, it's for all of us.